All right, today is Saturday, June 5th. Here's an update on the food plot. The corn you can see is coming up very nicely. Let me think here. Here's the rows this way. You can see them down the rows. They are about, see, they're already starting to get eaten. They're about, look at them all eaten. They're about 3-ish inches tall. Some of them, like down there, are 4 to 5 inches. And they're really popping with this weather, but I am not convinced it'll survive the onslaught. Let's go see what the beans are doing. Yeah, I'm looking at this corn now. I mean, they're already nipping it. I mean, the rows look pretty decent. You can see all the tracks in here. It looks like cattle pasture with all the deer tracks. I don't see much for beans at all. Oh, man, where are the beans at? I think they're eating them. I mean, there's one there. There's a little one. Look at all these tracks. Yeah, I think I caught deer in here the other morning. There ain't hardly any beans here. They're coming up, a few of them here. I don't know why they'd be so far behind the corn though. That don't seem to make sense to me. I don't know. I mean, there's some popping up, but maybe they're a little bit deep. Corn likes it a little deeper than beans, so maybe that's why it's taking them longer to come up. So we'll check back in on the beans here in a couple weeks and see what it looks like.